I got this Technics automatic turntable at Goodwill the other day. It is a Quartz SL-1600MK2 is the model number. It's in really great shape. It was kind of dirty. I spent about an hour cleaning it up. Dust and stuff was on it, and only a few minor scuffs and scratches on it. You can see a small crack in the cover there, but other than that, it was a fairly good record player until I brought it home and went to play a record in it, and I'll show you what happens. You can see basically nothing happens. Well, after some looking online, I found out what the problem is, and now I'm going to show you how to fix it. First thing you have to do is you have to turn the power off and disconnect it from your outlet. Got to take the record off. You got to take this off. It might be a little tight, but just work with it and it'll come off. This one came off fairly easy. And then after that, down inside here is five little screws. You can see them, they're all spread around. So you got to take those 5 screws off. Now you can see after you lift that up what it looks like inside. Now I did clean the inside of it up some too. It was pretty dirty. But as you can see right down here on this motor is a little pulley and another pulley. Well, the belt that goes on there was completely gone on this one. It was actually laying in pieces down there. Well, I found a rubber O-ring by some searching on the internet that actually works down there. You can get it at Ace Hardware, but or any other hardware store, but you just get the proper size O-ring and then replace it down there. Since you can't really get that belt anymore, you can use that and it works just fine. I tried it with a rubber band last night and it worked with the rubber band, so I went to pick up the O-ring. So it's fairly easy to replace that. You can just use some tweezers. It's a little tight area that it's in. Now I got the belt on. It took a little bit of work, but I got it on. As you can see there, I did have to use a flashlight too to see. But I got the belt on, and now we're going to put it back together and see what happens. first you got to put this back on and put the 5 screws back in. Now we got it all together, let's try a record. Plug back up. Power on. So after I got the belt replaced, let's see what happens. So with the 48-cent belt or O-ring from True Value, it got this record player working again. Information for the O-ring that you will need for the Technics turntable. The O-ring you want to look for is the number 39 O-ring, or the measurements: inside diameter 1 5/16 or 33.3 millimeter, outside diameter 1 7/16 or 36.5 millimeter, and this is probably the most important thing, the width is 1/16 of an inch or 1.7 millimeter.